Oops.
Uh-oh.
What did you do? I just broke the spoon.
That's not possible, no.
It is. And I'm really serious. I just broke it accidentally.
Daar's nie 'n manier jy kan deur metaal byt nie.
You can see it for yourself. I broke it.
No.
Let me see. What have you done?
Gogo ngiyaxolisa, I accidentally broke your spoon.
Why did you bite it?
Marasanele, angekuzodlana neyipuni, but be happy ukuthi this is a plastic spoon.
Ah, that explains it.
Ja.
It looked like metal.
Yeah. I use plastic spoons. I used them the other day when we had a picnic here, Sonto. So we use my plastic spoons.
Poor Stanley, probably didn't mean to break it.
I use plastic spoons. This one must have gotten mixed up with my other spoons because I don't want to lose the rest of my spoons. So I'm sorting out this stuff. That's why maybe everything is here and that spoon is also here.
Kan ek Gogo dalk help?
Nee. Are you done with your homework?
Ja, I'll just go.
Okay.
Can I end the fedza so I can just help you?
Okay, guys. You can help me by sorting this out. Plates one side, on the other side, and then the cups also on the other side, and the spoons together.
Okay.
And also the serviettes, you must put them in the cupboard.
Gogo, these spoons really look like metal, hey?
Yeah, I always use plastic spoons when I go on picnics because they're all disposable. Everything, let's say, after using it, I throw it away.
That's so convenient, Gogo.
En is veiliger. Jy kan nie papierborde en glase so maklik breek soos wat glas kan nie.
And you can take your metal plates and your cups because they don't break.
I have those in my camping gear.
Yes, and metal is good for camping because you can always wash them.
Mine are lightweight metal, so they're much lighter than glass.
En is veiliger.
And these paper and plastic ones are best for picnics because they are lighter and safer than glass.
En jy hoef nie daaroor te bekommer soos met glas en metaal nie.
Well, guys, you just helped me with my bit of my homework because we were learning something at school called non-metals and metals.
Manje tshela mina ke ukuthi what else do you have to do for your homework?
Well, Gogo, I had to list the metals and the non-metals, but I was already done with the metals. Now I was just thinking about the non-metals, and that's when I broke the spoon.
Then there's your answer.
Ja, daar het jy dit.
Well, I had glass. Now I have paper, plastic, and wood.
Well, how about wool?
Oh, wool and cotton. Yeah.
Of spons.
Guys, those are wonderful examples. Ikona enye into sayifuna?
Yeah, I'll show you one. What can Rubber.
Ja, dit behoort te doen.
Well, I already have enough examples. Now I just need to write down their characteristics.
There's more.
Yeah.
Ek dink jy ken hulle almal nie.
Why don't you take it over there?
Maybe Gogo?
Sure, guys, let's go.
Nice.
Thank you. Torch everything and everywhere. Open up and take us there. Open up and take us there.
Wow.
Walk it first.
Welcome to the Wonder Room,
Always looking
guys.
for it.
Where do I start? Where do I start? I have it.
Oh, well, that's a relief.
He nearly had me already there.
Hey, guys, everyone has their moments.
Wat gaan jy hiermee maak?
Okay, guys, we are going to go around the room and identify the different metals and non-metals, and then you're going to paste the sticky notes on them.
Okay.
So what must you write on the sticky notes?
For the metals, you're going to write M, and for the non-metals, you'll write NM.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Are we ready?
Ja, Gogo.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, so I think we should do.
Yeah, you can divide these amongst you.
I'll have the pink one.
There you go. I'll take the green.
You can work individually or you can work as a group, as you wish.
I'll take the yellow.
Okay.
Identify the metals and the non-metals.
And this looks like the middle. Oops.
There you go.
Probably.
Okay. So I think we've got enough now. I think we've got enough. I want us to go and sit over there.
Okay.
Come.
Yes. We could do this for hours.
I know.
Hey, if we do it, we just have notes everywhere.
Okay, guys, I want to show you a video with properties of non-metals. Are we ready?
Let's go. Okay, go.
Let's watch.
Hello, boys and girls. My name is Hlanganisa, and welcome to here at our Dow Chemistry Lab here at Saipono. Today, we're going to be talking about two different things called metals and non-metals. So we'll start with the metals first, then we'll move on to our non-metals. So in front of me here, on this side, I've got everything that has to do with metals. Okay, so metals, the first thing that you can see, most of them, they're very, very shiny. Okay, but not all of them can be shiny. Here we've got a piece of metal, okay, which is not shiny, but it is metal because it has one of the properties of metal, which includes being very, very soft and malleable and very ductile. Okay, what does it mean to be ductile? Being ductile means that can be stretched for distances, for a long distance, and malleable means can be pounded into a very, very thin leaf. Okay, so actually what we'll do, we'll actually try to test them out and see if this light bulb here will actually switch on. So let's see if the steel rule does switch on the bulb here. Okay, so it does switch it on. So that means steel can actually conduct electricity. Here we've got a piece of lead. Okay, lead is very, very soft. As you can see, when I bend it, it bends very easily. So we can see with our light bulb, if it does, it will switch on. So it does switch on. So the metal does conduct electricity. It definitely is electricity. Okay, then this is copper. Okay, usually copper is the one that is used to conduct electricity. They use it for wiring of electricity. Okay, so let's see if it does conduct. Yes, it does. We'll test if it does conduct electricity as well. Okay, so copper pipe as well. Let's see if it does conduct electricity. So it does conduct electricity. And here we've got copper wire. We expect this to also conduct electricity, but look what happens when I put it. Okay, it does not conduct electricity. Okay, there's a reason for that. It's because this copper wire has got a very thin layer of plastic. So we'll talk about our non-metals. As we know, non-metals, they don't conduct electricity, but this copper wire has been coated with a very thin layer of plastic, and your plastics or your non-metals, they don't conduct electricity. So now we'll move on to our non-metals. So compared to metals, your non-metals are actually dull. Okay, so that's the opposite of shiny. So you can see here, I've got different examples. I've got some PVC pipes. What happens when I apply force on this wooden skewer? Okay, so as you can see, our wooden skewer is actually broke. Okay, it's the same as with this ruler. Let's see what happens. Okay, also gets to break. So that means that is one of the properties of non-metals. Okay, so now let's see if they can actually conduct electricity. Okay, so we'll try with glass. So they don't conduct electricity. So that means they can be used to insulate. With some of our non-metals, they do not conduct heat. Okay, so if you heat them up, they will take time to actually to be warm or to be hot. Some of the utensils used for cooking are made out of either plastic or wood. So guys, thank you very much for tuning in, and I hope you now know more about your metals and your non-metals.
Okay guys, you must remember that this is not about memorizing, it's about learning, and learning is about knowing and understanding.
Kodwa Gogo, how will I ever know this?
Sanele, by understanding what you have just been told and by seeing it in the real world.
Hoe kan dit doen?
Okay, guys, go around the room and to all the things you've identified in the room and tell me what properties it has.
What are the properties of non-metals again, Gogo?
Well, Vian, a non-metal does not shine.
I think the word you're looking for is dull. So the non-metals break easily, which means they're brittle.
Yes,
Let's go, guys. Okay, guys.
This handle of the door is very shiny and it's solid.
Well, Gogo, this is a glass tube. It's a non-metal, it's very, very light, and it's brittle. So if it falls down, it will break.
Ah, very good, guys. Very good. Do you all understand metals and non-metals now?
Ja, baie beter wat ons begin het.
Well, Gogo, I know the differences, but then I'm not sure if I'll remember all their properties.
Sanele Mtanam, you will over time. You just have to study more if you don't understand something.
You have to study until you understand, not until you memorize it.
Ek verstaan nog steeds nie wat hulle van mekaar skei nie.
Memorizing is committing something to the memory. Taking fact or information, putting it in memory, and then when I ask about it, then you say it.
Hoe is dit anders as om te leer?
Okay, Vian, om te leer, it means you understand something and you know it, and then you can use it to solve problems in the real world.
So if I memorize the properties of non-metals every time I pick it up, must I sing the whole list and see if I tick the boxes?
Hi, but you can just pick up a rubber and say, this rubber is flexible, but it is not a good conductor of heat, so it cannot be metal.
Something along those lines.
Ja, soos wat ons nou net gedoen het. Hier reg rondom die kamer. Ons het gesê wat's metale en wat's nie metale.
So, Gogo, we didn't memorize their properties. We learned them by the different things around the room.
Ah, guys, I think you've got it, and I think our work here is done. Let's go back that side and go and pack the picnic stuff away. Hey, don't break. Oh, Puli.
Oh, bengizobisela Gogo.
Okay, Sanele, please put the plates, nama plate wam la hlala khona. Vuko, put the spoons where they belong. Vian, die plastic glasse met my glasse asseblief. And then I will put my serviettes here for now.
There we go.
And then please put the plastics with the plastics.
Gogo.
Yeah, you see?
Gogo,
Yes.
your drawer is too full. I can't fit this in.
I know, you know, that's why I put some of my plastic bags over there.
Okay. Gogo, I've got an idea. Why don't you make a bag holder for you? A bag holder for all these bags.
Waarmee gaan ons dit maak?
That.
Oh, that! With this and with this!
Yes,
Is this one of your recycling projects?
it is. Gogo, do you want us to make one for you?
Yes, please, Mvoko. What do we need?
We're gonna need this 2-liter bottle,
Okay.
a rubber band,
Rubber band.
yeah,
Let me see. I think I have rubber band somewhere here.
yes,
My rubber band.
a whiteboard marker,
What? Oh, let me get my...
It's okay.
yeah, a whiteboard here, whiteboard marker.
Yes.
Then a cutter or scissors,
Here's a cutter. Here's a cutter.
So, yeah.
and then we're gonna need sticky tape and a ribbon.
Sticky tape.
And ribbon.
How about
Ah, this one. Eh?
yeah.
Do you want that one or do you want this one?
The pink one looks nice.
Yeah.
And we're also gonna need what's that again? Yeah, wrapping paper. Yeah.
Wrapping paper.
Oh,
Oh, yes.
oh, so big.
I remember. Here's my wrapping paper. Here's my beautiful wrapping paper. Okay, Mvuko, I think I have everything.
Okay.
Okay, can I put this away?
Yes.
All right.
Okay, now first thing is we need to cut the top bottom here and the top of the bottle. So the plastic bags are going to enter through the bottom, then out through the top. Then we're going to need an elastic band to cut a straight line. So put it around the bottle.
Oh, okay. Sengiyabona. Can I mark it for you, please?
Sure. Just make sure that the top is narrow so that the plastic bags don't fall out.
Oh.
So you put the rubber band this side.
Yes, and then he cuts it too.
So this should be right, ne? Right up at here.
Little bit more maybe.
Maybe up to here.
Hi, le rubber le. You sure we taxi le mele ukuthi ihlale ngapha? Doesn't it have to go this side the rubber band? Maybe to
Yeah.
mark it.
Sengiyabona.
Yeah, but we also need mark here so that it's straight.
Oh, okay. This
Okay.
here. Okay.
Oh, how about njelana nje ibe phezulu?
So now let's mark it.
Let's mark it. Let's mark it. Let's mark it.
Okay.
Let me put my eyes on.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Fanele ke. Asenze
Okay, then we need to cut it.
Ooh, Gogo, be careful.
Iwe.
Ibeke phansi kanje.
kanje ne?
Eh.
Don't cut me. Oh, don't cut my paper. Ibeke la.
Ngibekele la.
So now you can take this off so you can cut properly.
Mathelele mfana wami. Ube careful, ube careful.
Eh.
Ugogo uzokubambela.
Okay. There we go.
There we go. Ngicela ube careful ungazisiki, please.
Hey, please, this is very dangerous, Gogo.
Very sharp.
Ibeke kuphi Gogo amasiza wakho?
Ngikhiphe kwi my scissors.
Okay.
Oh, le isharp kabi. Thengisuzela.
Oh, this is very dangerous.
Okay.
Okay, so you can just cut off that piece.
Be careful, Sunny. Okay.
Just like that.
Just like this.
Now we need to cut the top. Here.
Okay, so
More or less kuphi this one. More or less here.
here, ne?
Yeah.
Can you mark it for us?
Okay, let's
Just
first
make
put-
a
Okay.
Het jy dit al gemaak?
Yeah, I've made it for a gift for my neighbors.
Wat het jy geleer om dit te maak?
From a video off the internet. Yeah.
Oh, video's help mens baie.
Okay. Let Gogo try. Me, I'm scared of sharp things, ne?
Okay.
Okay.
Here we go.
Nice.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Okay, next step. Now we wrap it with wrapping paper.
Wrapping paper. Let's put this one.
But you must make sure that the wrapping paper is long enough to cover, to be folded inside the top and the bottom.
Okay.
I think we're done with these ones, ne?
Yeah, Gogo.
And then,
Oh, sizodinga amasiza.
oh, the thing is,
Yeah,
ukhatha
isiza,
nefana
Gogo.
wami. I'll just take one of the two scissors.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Come on this side.
Hold this.
Would you like to help, Fian?
Ja.
Okay, we have to do this. And then we have to wrap it.
Around. Like that.
Okay. That's
So
it.
now someone needs to cut.
Fian, please finish up for me that side.
This is called teamwork, guys.
There
Thank
you go.
you very much.
So let's
then
put
when
the
we're
wrapping
done-
away. Paper. Sticky tape.
Sticky
I'll
tape.
hold here.
Okay, let's stick it here nicely. There we go. So we have another one. Thank you, Vian. Vian aga Gogo. How far is it? That's here.
One, let's feel. Yeah, no, a little bit down. Yeah, there. That's fine. Perfect.
Wait, don't be in a hurry. Let's finish cutting.
Okay, we need to cut. Okay, but it's fine.
Okay.
Now we need to
Size in,
fold it inside.
like
Yeah.
that.
Oh, I'm seeing it. Oh.
Looks beautiful.
Yo.
ufake kahle kakhulu ufakele phakathi because this is the narrow side, right?
Yeah, Gogo.
Yes, it is. Do this.
Ooh, because Ninga, don't let it break.
Wait. Then after this, what's the next step?
Then we need to make holes in the sides to fit the ribbon through to make a holder. So I think we're gonna need the cutter for that.
Do you think we'll need Hey, I'm scared of this cutter. Keep a little cutter up.
I ain't see Gogo. Be careful, Mvuko.
Yeah.
Now be careful.
It's me, Bambega.
Okay, now let me put the ribbon through.
Okay.
Let me first cut it.
Yeah, when I watch a paper holder in.
Gogo moet al vanuit is Gogo's in.
Yeah, I can play because now it is my holder.
Think you be silly, Gogo.
Over. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Then we fold it.
Just like that. Okay.
Do you have it?
I think we tie it. Can someone tie a knot? Because I don't think mine's gonna be strong enough.
Plastic.
Okay.
Go fetch the plastics. Plastic
Okay.
then you can put them in. In the shoelace, got or ripple.
Ibom na Gogo iyang hlula.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, ngizoyenza ishoe lace, ne?
Shoelace fana nebone nje. You got it.
There we go.
Let's put the plastic bags inside.
Then, if you want them, you pull them out the bottom like that.
Wow! Okay, let's
Okay,
put
now
them
let's put
in.
them
Nicely.
There you go. And again. The last one.
And where can I hang it for now? It's so beautiful. Okay, let me see. Maybe I can put it on this handle there.
There you go.
Now that looks nice.
It's beautiful.
If you enjoyed this show, write to us at epichangout@sabc.co.za. Let's say goodbye to our viewers.
Bye.